Hello everybody, welcome to Giordano's Garage. It's Andrew here. I hope you're having a great day. Today I'm going to be doing something simple. I'm just replacing the spark plug on this DR trimmer motor. DR trimmer mower. And it's got the 675 EXI, and the model number for the machine is over here. It's 103M050065F1. I hope if this video is helpful for you, you will subscribe to the channel, like the video, and leave a comment down below. But other than that, let's get started. And the first thing we're going to do is, I apparently already had it off, but we'll take the boot off of the spark plug, and then it's going to be a 17 millimeter socket, and then we'll get that off. It's going to be a nice and quick one for us today. Alright. Oh, that's no good. Can you see that? I have the spark plug I'm putting back on. It's going to be this F7TC. This is the one that came in the Amazon kit I had for the carburetor, so it's probably comparable. So we'll stick this, so we're going to obviously put this back into the cylinder right there, and we want to hand tighten it first so that we don't accidentally cross thread. Alright, and then it's remember, it's a 17 millimeter. And then I just have a little extender so that it's easy to get back there. Now, interesting fact, the little nut, the little nut on the bottom of this spark plug is way bigger. So the old one was a 17. This new one that I'm putting in is bigger. Let me start hand screwing this in so I don't cross thread. So, the new one is a 21. Quite a bit bigger. Okay, and then we'll put the spark plug back on. Or the boot back on, I should say. All right, awesome. Well, I hope that was helpful for you guys, and a nice and easy one. But like I said, I hope you subscribe to the channel, like the video, and leave a comment down below, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.